Flowers are often associated as a symbol of love or a sign of affection to someone. This has even become a culture of its own that is often done by the community, especially during special moments, such as birthdays, wedding anniversaries, or Valentine's Day. Often couples or loved ones give flowers as gifts. Flowers that are given as gifts are generally real flowers that are picked and then neatly packaged using plastic decorations and ribbons. In addition, there are also fake flowers made from plastic and shaped to resemble the original flowers. Although they don't look as fresh, fake flowers can actually last longer so that they can be stored or used as home displays. Apart from being made from plastic, you can also make flowers from ribbons. If you are looking for recommendations on how to make flowers from ribbons and plastic for gifts, you can check out the following steps. No need to worry, how to make flowers from ribbon and plastic is fairly simple, so it is easy to practice. Similarly, the tools and materials used can be easily found in various craft stores or stationery stores. You can choose the color of the felt according to your taste to make a beautiful and elegant flower sprig or bouquet.